You know what time it is. It's mail opening time. But first, a very important announcement we would like to share with all of you. Some people have been choosing random addresses in Hammond, Wisconsin to send mail to, and first, thank you very much for sending us stuff, but it's not reaching us because it's going to random neighbors of ours, or people just in our town, so we're not getting that, and we're not able to open that on camera, so please use our P.O. box, and then we will make sure we get it.
Charles, put that right here.
Oh yeah,
Right
yeah,
here.
there's the P.O. box, and here's the P.O. box, and here's the address, and right there, it's all over the screen. So that's where you guys should send your stuff. But thank you so much for sending us all these gifts.
And I'll say it, anyone who doesn't send it to our P.O. box is not going to get opened by us. So, right away, we're not opening that stuff.
Please send it to our P.O. box. We feel bad for the people in our town who are getting our stuff, getting our mail. Who's that from?
Looks like Cecilia sent us some stress eggs.
Ooh,
I guess.
like stress balls? You squeeze
Yes.
them? Whoa, stress snake eggs.
There's a baby in it.
Oh my gosh! Oh, there's a baby in mine too! Here you go, from Cecilia. Throw it! Yay! She loves it, thank you!
And then she sent you a couple
Oh,
caves.
she sent us more? Oh, cool coconut hides! These will be perfect for our baby snakes that are being laid right now, but should hatch in July. Perfect timing, thank you! Alana sent us chocolate, one for me and one for Ed. Wait, no. They're both for me. This is from the Hudsons.
Yeah, the Hudsons of Hudson Reptile. This letter starts with Merry Christmas.
Oh no. I'm sorry, Hudson. It's May. Oh no.
Well, those are probably really tasty macaroons.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm so sorry, Hudson.
Oh, it's a 3D printed Janet.
Aw.
That one's still good.
That's really cute. Hudson's, thank you so much for the gifts. I'm sorry that it took so long to open them, but if we see another package from you, we will open it right away, is what we've learned. Caleb in Missouri sent us this sweet pin. Unfortunately, this one from Caleb says it's for Ed and not for me. I can't remember. That's what
Yoink.
Litten evolves into. What's that one
Yes.
called?
The final evolution of Litten.
Oh no. We're starting to get rusty. I'm gonna keep all these cards though. Mewtwo, Kadabra, ooh, the Mantis. Oh my gosh, look! He sent us a holographic Charizard!
Nice, an EX version.
Ooh, and holographic Litten. Aw, thank you, Caleb. I love the fire theme. Wow, did we get all the evolutions of this?
Litten evolved into Incineroar.
Incineroar, that's what that one is. We
Yeah.
got all the evolutions. Thank you.
So Alyssa sent us a box and she said, give the chocolate to Ed.
What?
Yeah, that's
Alyssa,
right. That's right.
I don't get the chocolate.
That's my peanut butter chocolate egg.
Oh.
Yeah.
Aw, Nick, that's so sweet. Aw, Alyssa, thank you for all of these clay gifts. We're gonna have to make like a memorial for Nick.
Mm-hmm.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Alright, so we got this book called Disbanded. It's signed by
Whoa!
Francis Paul,
Oh my gosh!
because that's who sent it to us.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
What?
So,
Oh.
in the note, it says, encloses an advanced copy of my upcoming novel, Disbanded. Super Snake Center and a fantasy as well.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to read this. Oh, that looks awesome. Thank you, Francis. Gonna get started on this right away. Just saying, this is told from the perspective of a snake as the main character in first person. And that is awesome. Ooh, new keychain from Savannah. Thank you. That is awesome.
It looks like Genevieve sent you
Oh,
caramel M&Ms.
nice. Oh, they look good. I don't think I've had the caramel ones. You can't have
I think
that.
we've had them once or twice.
Have I?
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh my
They're
god.
good?
No.
Which one?
You're gonna have one. I get the rest. These are really good. We got. Holy cow!
Nice.
Whoa! Fur bar. Ooh, there's even a green tree on the bag.
Mhm. That looks like chocolate.
That does look like chocolate.
So
open.
you guys still get to see Emily struggle to open things.
Oh my gosh, there's a wrapper too.
Charles, could we put a timer on this to see how long it took Emily to open this box?
Hey!
Oh, what are those?
I don't know. Oh, they're Oreos.
Chocolate covered Oreos?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The Minnesota State Fair here has deep fried Oreos. You feel your arteries clogging as you eat them. These look amazing too. Oh wow. That's really good. Thank you for these gifts. They're tasty and gonna come in handy. Oh, what a classy hognose snake. Yes.
Indubitably.
Yes, quite. If I had pinkies, I would be holding them up. Just like that.
Alright, we got a package you're really gonna like from Norway. It's from
Really?
Christina.
Aww. That's so cute.
And a lot of chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Norwegian chocolate?
And
Look at that. Oh, those are cute. That's what you do with those, right? Ah! Really? You scared Cheyenne!
I did. I scared the crap out of Cheyenne. Alright, so Christina challenges you to taste test some of these Norwegian sweets and pronounce their names.
Okay, I've got Kvik Lunsje, Laban Siegman, Milkis Chocolade.
Sorry, I don't speak Italian.
Yeah, the chocolate tastes a little different.
Oh,
Not
got
as
butter.
sweet. No, this is smoother chocolate.
Mmm.
That's really good. I don't know what the flavors mean, but it's tasty. I think I prefer these over our gummies because they're a little softer. Thank you, Christina, for all of the treats. We're gonna save the Milka Chocolade for another day, but thank you so much. All right, Ed is opening a package from Marion in, oh, there goes the state. I didn't read it.
Kansas.
Kansas.
Cheyenne gets toys.
Oh, Cheyenne toys.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Here. What do you think? Oh, wow.
Instantly. Jeez.
You just
No.
tore off half of that in one go. Arr, good job. Oh, my goodness. These are going to go over well.
Feather test for you.
A feather test? Ooh, I love feather tests.
Feather test.
Okay. What do I have?
What is this feather from?
It's from Parakeet.
Yep.
Yay! I got it. It's a parakeet tail feather. That's awesome. Thank you, and thank you so
That's
much for
your
the
money.
toys. What?
In a bag.
Oh, and you sent us $3? Oh my gosh, you guys don't have to do that. We will put these, since there's a bird theme, we'll put these towards good treats for Cheyenne. How about that? Up next is something from Sachi in India.
Important stuff.
Important stuff.
And we have to slide this box this way.
Uh-oh, are you gonna do it?
Ah! Nice, I like it.
I love it, Sachi. Thank you. That's awesome. Whoa, Buffalo Brody, you've got some sweet skills. Loki and Rex. That's really cool. Okay, what are you staring at so intently over there?
This is something from Nora and her sister Annie. They sent us Pokemon cards.
Oh.
So here's a pack for you.
Ooh, I get my own pack. Whoa, some of those are holographics. That's really cool. Thank you so much for all the cards. Is that chocolate from them too?
Yes,
That
that
I
one's
shaped
yours.
Out to, oh, you mean both of them?
Yes,
are
sure,
mine?
both of them.
Sweet. Thank you.
So Emily's been shaking this package for far too long.
It's fun. It makes noise. It's... Oh, cute. It's an alligator necklace. Aw, that's super cute. I'm going to put that on right now. Oh, that is really cute. No, you can't have this. It's not yours. This is my necklace. Thank you so much for this. Cheyenne, John sent you a huge bird toy. Oh my gosh. She is gonna love this. This is an awesome toy. Good job. You get that toy. This comes at a perfect time because she just destroyed like her last good destructible toy, but all of the bird shows in this area have been canceled because of coronavirus. So I've been like trying to make toys for her, but not being very successful at it. So this is gonna be her new favorite thing, I think. Oh, thank you so much, John. She's gonna love this. You already do. Loki in Pennsylvania sent us so many Pokemon cards. And Charizard! also sent us a book of snakes in North America. That's still a cool book. Thank you, Loki. Eli gave me dinner tonight. Thank you. This is amazing. Nolan sent us some clay sculptures. Unfortunately, the tail of the leopard gecko came off, but it's okay because they regrow their tails. And the tip of the snake tail came off, but it's okay. They don't need the tip of their tails. You see them without that in the wild all the time, so it's okay. These are adorable and totally fine. Thanks, Nolan.
Alright, so Shelby and Silas sent you some shark teeth.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh, do you want them? Do you want the shark? Yeah, that's what I thought. What are you gonna do with shark teeth? Thank you. That's really cool. Oh, Addison sent us a Ninja Star. Aw.
Missed. The Wayman family from Connecticut sent us a picture of their corn snake named Corny.
Nice.
They also sent us something from Connecticut, home of Pez, apparently.
Ooh, I did not know that.
Yeah.
Huh.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Whoa.
That is awesome.
That is so cool. Pokemon starter Pez dispensers. We don't have a single Pez dispenser in this house.
We don't.
And now we have 4 of the coolest ones you could ever own.
How could you beat Squirtle, Pikachu, Charmander, and Bulbasaur?
Which is the best starter, guys? Which one do you think?
Just put the best one in frame.
Is
right
it
there.
Charmander?
Yep.
Yeah, we both agree. We always choose fire.
Followed by that one, Squirtle.
Squirtle? Okay.
Followed by either of the other two. Pikachu's overrated.
Alright, so we think Charmander's the best starter. Which one would you guys pick? Let us know in the comments below. What's the best starter Pokemon? We got a necklace from someone in Australia, but your name was covered up, so I don't know who it is. But thank you.
Cool.
It's really cute.
So Megan sent you something from Bed Bath & Beyond, which is really going to help you because Emily cannot hard boil an egg to save her life.
I can't.
I don't know what it is. She boils the water with the eggs in it.
They're always runny.
I don't know. She just can't do it.
I can't.
But
Oh,
sent you
my
the
gosh.
perfect egg.
Oh, no way. This is amazing.
She saw you were trying to boil eggs while
my
filming.
Gosh.
So hopefully that helped.
How can I do it wrong now?
Yeah, I'm sure you'll find a way.
Whatever.
Hopefully Emily can actually work this product.
I bet I can. I can figure this out.
I don't know, we'll see.
3 days later.
We're gonna see if you can hard boil an egg.
Oh my gosh. I'm in the middle of a premiere right now.
Yep, too bad.
Ugh.
Fill that thing up to 7.5 milliliters. Yeah. 7. Yay! Alright, now put the lid on. And now plug it in.
This is so demeaning. That's all I have to do?
That's all you have to do.
No way.
Wait for it to turn off.
How can this go wrong?
I don't know, I guess we'll check back in 14 to 20 minutes. Alright, so the machine shut off.
I think they're ready, but I'm nervous.
Do you think they're ready? Alright, I think they're significantly cooled off.
Think they're ready?
I think they might be ready. Let's see if it worked.
Okay.
Emily might have just made hard-boiled eggs
Successfully.
successfully. Let's see this.
Oh,
Well, that looks good so far.
it does. The question is the yolk, though. These.
That's peeling really well. It's like a perfect egg.
Look at that.
Alright, grab a knife.
Moment of truth.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh
Look at
my
that.
gosh.
Emily can do it.
I can make hard-boiled
Hooray!
eggs now! Yay! I won't ask you to do it every time. Thank you so much for this gift. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it.
We're gonna try something.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
It's a way to remove egg from the shell really easily. What you do is you do that on the one side, and you do a smaller hole on the other side, and you just blow it.
Like I just wrap it? And...
Yep. Let's see you do it, Emily.
Oh my gosh! It works!
It works!
Wow, look at that! Unicorns from Deborah. That's really cute, actually. She also sent us Snake Discovery, but she didn't have an S or an E, so I'd say you did a good job. I could tell exactly what that meant. Thank you, Deborah. Aw, and Eileen sent us this really cute smiley face bracelet.
Alright, so Evangeline sent us a bunch of things in this box. And one of them was to Spidey from the time that we had the automatic feeder.
Oh yeah!
We had Spidey over at our house.
He was in one video.
Yeah.
You remembered?
Alright, now you have to open it up and we have to send it down to Florida. Because Spidey's currently in Florida.
It's a ping pong ball!
Oh, nice.
You want it? What are you gonna do with that?
You got something from across the pond, don't you?
Yes, Paul from Ireland sent us, chocolate, and I don't know what this is yet. Aha! Figured it out. Oh, I shot it in the box!
Hit the box.
Fun fact, a Magikarp was my very first card back in the 90s. It was great. This is sent from Fergus along with some other... Ooh! Eevee! And look at this.
Oh no. Giant Charizard?
Giant Blastoise!
Aw,
That's
almost as
cool! It's holographic though!
it's true.
That is so cool, thank you, Fergus!
So, you've worked with Aaron Burt before, right?
Yeah, she's done artwork for us actually,
Yeah,
for our
she,
designs.
Sent you some stickers.
Really?
Yeah, look at those.
Oh, that's one of her designs!
She sent you some pins.
Oh, I mean, those are all her designs, one of which is going to be in our store soon. So this isn't in the store yet, guys, but we have worked with Erin, and this one right here, I've been meaning to add to our merch store. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but it was created by Erin. I didn't know she was sending us a sticker of it and a pin, but this will be in the merch store soon, so keep an eye out for that.
Cool.
That's so cool.
And then she sent you this.
Oh my
So I'll
gosh.
let you open.
Whoa. This is beautiful,
Yeah,
Erin.
I don't know what she's talking about. She looks really good at crocheting.
Yeah. That is so cool. I love it. Thank you for all the goodies. Look at these super cute pins. I love Erin's artwork style. Thank you for all of the stickers and pins and the crocheted snake. Thank you, Erin. We got Pokemon cards too from some fans. Some more Pokemon cards from Kaylin. And we got from Mikey. Oh my gosh. He sent us a holographic Kyogre. Oh, that's so cool. Ashley sent us some more holographics and an Ekans. That's so cute. Isabel sent us this holographic Lapras and a Kingdra. Oh my gosh, there's so many in here. And finally, we got cards from a fan in Australia, but the name I wasn't able to see on the envelope, unfortunately, but these are some awesome cards too. Thank you so much for all the cards, guys. Our collections are gonna be bomb thanks to you. Thank you guys so much for all of these gifts. Cheyenne's already playing. I'm already enjoying more chocolate. Thank you for your generosity. I can't believe you sent all of these amazing things. As always, thank you to the Patreon backers for all of your support as well. I feel spoiled. Like, we don't deserve all of this, guys. But thank you so, so much. You're too nice, is all I can say. But I'm sorry I'm not able to include everything in every package or every envelope, but we do read all of your letters, and we're going to include a lot of your artwork at the end of this video. Thank you again to Charles for editing this one for us, and we'll see you next time.